着いたね。ここは今のところだよ。あちゃん、
なんで同じ T シャツ？
たまたまだよね。たまたまカエルの子はカエルっていうことわざなんだよね。そうだよ、俺が先に来てたんだろ。
俺が来てていきなり
知らなかった。それはとにかくアイバンのところに初めて来ました。これちょっとかっこいいショップじゃない？本当はね田舎なんだけど、突然このショップが出てきてもうびっくりした。あっちゃんのエンジンはもうエンジンスタンドに入ってるので、
早いね。
アイバン
夜だ撮ったばかなのに。
だよね。もう用意してあるんで、これからバラしていくことなんだよね。もちろんアイバンとレイモンドの指示してあって、元でやっていこうと考えてます。Ivan, how are you today? Hey Raymond, how are you? Nice to see you. Thank you again for yesterday, for all your help.
Absolutely.
And now we came down here today in Princeton. It's your beautiful shop. It's very clean. It's very nice.
Thank you so much.
And we see already you've got that engine up on its stand.
Yeah.
And it looks like it's ready to start tearing into, huh?
Yeah, we're ready. We're excited about it too.
Awesome. We're so excited too. I don't think we slept too good last night. The kid tells me he's ready to get his hands dirty again today. So,
Let's do it.
you ready to get your hands dirty? Head spinning, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's open her up, see what we got, come up with a plan for the 86 project.
Absolutely.
There we go.
Yes.
あーちゃん知ってた？こっちはねエグゾーストとこっちはインテークの方ね、こういう仕組みなんだよな。プラグがこの中にあって、エグゾーストはね一つのシリンダーに2つバルブは2つがあるということだよね。この2つはここから出てくる、この2つはここから出て、でインテークはこのカムはインテーク用の、要するにこれはエグゾースト用のカムシャフトは1つがあるのと、インテーク用のカムシャフト1本あるということなんだよね。
リサーチではたまにこれが違う大きさとかでやってるの。
あ、そうなんだ。それも知らなかったな。これすごい勉強になります。All right, Ivan. So I'm learning about this engine, man. What's next?
So we're pulling the belt off right now.
Yep.
And we're gonna focus on pulling the cams out, just kind of inspecting them, just make sure the head journals are good.
Yep.
We're gonna pull this cover apart.
Yep.
And then we're gonna be separating the head from the actual short block. After that, we're gonna pull in the bottom. And
Okay.
Just focus on cleaning the area along we work.
By the way, that was an actual spring that you just released that was right here?
Yeah.
Where'd that spring go?
Yeah, that spring is here. It's still attached to the
Spring is still-
tensioner. Yeah.
So that
I just want
actually
it from one side.
that creates the tension that allows the tensioner to
Yes.
keep the tension on the belt.
Yes, that actually provides the tensioner, the movement and the adjustment, the proper adjustment to apply to the belt, so it stays all tight and nice.
Look at that, man. Smart stuff right there. Simple, yet smart.
Yeah, very classy, very smart.
All right, man. Keep going. Rip her apart.
Let's get it. These are called buckets, and they use shims to adjust the calibration and the clearance in between the camshaft lobe and the actual valve.
Is that like a lifter, actually?
That is a lifter.
Is it hydraulic?
This ones are sort of.
They're magnetic.
They're not charged.
Okay.
So they work with oil for lubrication around the
Okay.
around the cylinder, but they use a shim that you replace, and that is what adjusts the clearance.
That top part's called a shim.
Yeah, and this they're charged on oil, but they don't do.
They're not
adjustment.
collapsible.
No.
They're not.
No.
And that right there is the top of the valve.
And right
That's
there
the
is the
valve.
top of the valve. Yes.
Top of the valve. Is that a
So,
spring then on?
That is a spring, the retainer, and the keepers. So for the video, if you want to take this off
Yep.
with the magnet, just kind of,
はい、あちゃんどうぞ。
it's okay. Just hold it in your hand and then just magnet it in.
Don't drop the camshaft.
Not a good idea.
手袋なしあーちゃん。
かっけえ。それはアメリカ人のハーフだよね。日本人だったら軍手をつけないとダメだよ。怒られるもんね。
怒られるよ。
Go ahead and do the honors. You're holding the lines, so be careful. There you go.
二度も使わないインテークじゃないですか。これ使うの
Look how tiny they are.
Where's the garbage can?
Where you got your
Garbage can.
Right here.
Oh no!
嘘だったよ。
ジョークだ
Just
ね。
kidding.
ジョークだよね。それはね、ジョークだ。
でもこ
はい
ういう。ものは売れるよね。
価値があるんじゃない？ね、綺麗に置いておき
Yeah, put it
ま
on
しょ
the
う。
floor.
あっちゃん結構バラしてきたんだよな。あとはシリンダーヘッド、ね、キャムシャフトを出して、
初めてこうやってエンジン。
初めてやってるでしょ。面白いよね。アイブンの指導でこれはやっていいよね。ヘッドが取れるのかな。
No.
シリンダーヘッド。
You have to remove the spark plugs?
No, you don't have to.
No, they come out with the head.
Oh.
They're in the head. Peeking into the cylinders. Well, here we go, kid. The big snap-on rubber. Ooh, that came off easy.
No, this is the one you like.
I know. Oh, is that really?
Rubber
That's my
thing,
favorite
yeah.
brand. Look at that. I thought it was a good one.
They can if they want to though.
They can.
could.
Well, look at how good it worked. It brought that head right off. Woo! Hello, cylinder head.
It's okay on the ground or down here?
And the ground is good.
Right here. Or...
That's good.
あっちゃんのピストンを覗こうか。
Oh, my bad.
No, you.
Ooh. A little bit of carbon buildup right there, huh?
A little bit, only a little bit.
Just a little bit of carbon
I
buildup.
can't tell if that's sarcastic.
Well, we'll
Oh,
ask
it's pretty
Ivan
black.
about that. They're pretty dark. Well, there's no holes in those two pistons.
This is an OEM gasket.
Wow, オリジナルじゃないあっちゃんのエンジンは。バラされたことないという。You think this engine's never been apart?
I don't think so.
Woo! Look at all those.
I truly doubt it.
And it
All
has
these-
275,000 miles.
It's got some plugged up gullies and stuff here. Are these water jackets
Yeah.
that are all plugged?
Yeah, they're all plugged up. Gonna be a nice mess.
No, this is clean, nice one. You know what's in here? Only the best.
Yeah.
Liquid Molly. Like a fresh batch too, by the way. And you know, so listen, no, you don't know about this Liquid Molly. It purposely is that color from the beginning.
It's got a Ceratec.
It has it built into for the engines, the high mileage engines has an ingredient that makes it black like that.
Yeah, it's a Ceratec.
I was surprised
that
too.
ceramic stuff.
Ceratec. This is it. So it's not dirty, believe it or not. That is clean. Oh, どんどん裸になってきたんだよな、エンジンは。次はオイルパンだな。クーラントが出てきたね。オイルも出てきている。
Another one.
Is it common to be missing a few down here?
No.
One, And then that one looks like it's stripped in there.
Ooh.
I told you we're gonna spend a lot of money on bolts.
No, not common that you don't have bolts down there. That's not good. That's not good.クランクシャフト。ほら、
汚いね。
汚くないよ。綺麗じゃない？でも基本的にオイルパンの中、下が汚い。そこまでじゃないだろ？ねえ。あーちゃんは頑張ってるね。これさ、もうピストンがあっという間になくなったぞ。
ね、知らない。
アイブンが忙しくなったんだけど、あーちゃんが頑張って出せたんだよね。レイモンの手伝いで助かった。
ね。
助かってる、本当に。すごいよ。どう？エンジン漏らすことが楽しいよ。また組むのが大変。大変だ。じゃあ最後はクランクシャフトが出てくることだよな。最後はシリンダーヘッドがない、オイルパンがあって、オイルが
焼けた匂いがする。
古いオイルがあって、
1, 2, 3, 4.
書いてある。その順番でちゃんと管理してくる。
Ah, that's smart. Yeah. The techniques. And squeeze it.
Shake, squeeze. Whoops. It's okay.
Thank you for the tip.
He's getting the seal off the back. Oil, the rear main seal, right? Yeah.
Ah, rear main seal.
Rear main seal.
Oh, that comes off.
ああ。なるほどね。ナイス。OK、あっちゃん。最後の部品。はい。シェイプダラス。うーよし。いいね。86も運動にもなる。Nice, Ram. We stripped it down pretty quick. Nice.
Nice.
It's fine. Very nice.
Nice. Good looking engine. この 4AG のエンジンは中身が綺麗だよ。じゃあどうするかっていうことだよね、あっちゃん、このエンジンは。
もうここまで来たら当たり前なんじゃない？何やるのか。
そんなことないよ。まずエンジン交換でもいいし、これをパーツとして売ることも考えられるし、どうするのかっていうこと。4AG でいいの？
4AG の
これ 7AG、9AG とかいろいろあるんじゃない？
まああるんだけど。
ということだよね。アイブンとレイモンに相談していこうか。Ivan!
Yeah.
While you were busy getting new customers, look what we did.
Yeah.
We finished up that engine right there, man. We pulled it all apart. Thanks to
Awesome.
you
That's awesome.
and Raymond. We want to thank you.
I'm about to hire you guys over here.
We're pretty quick, huh? And we're cheap too by the hour, I'll tell you. We were cheap. Water and, that's about it. Some tacos.
Not even a snack, man.
Not even a snack. But you know what? We got it apart, and you said next step. You're thinking about getting this off to the engine, to the machine
Yes.
shop right away, huh?
Yeah, we're gonna start getting everything measured and cleaned up and nice looking.
But first, today's question is this. So we took this engine apart. We saw everything inside. Looks pretty good.
Absolutely, I still have a lot of cross powder on the cylinder, so that means a lot of material left.
So here's the question, though. Do we build this engine? Do we go for a 7AG, a 9AGE,
20 valve.
a 20 valve? I mean, the choices are endless.
If you want my suggestion,
Yeah.
I think we should stick with the same platform.
Okay.
Maybe something can come out.
アイブンの意見はこれでやっていきましょうということなんだけど、皆さんどう思います？ご意見残しておいてね。Well, we're gonna leave it up to the viewers. We're gonna leave it up to our discussion. And they're gonna all have to wait
They're
till the
gonna
next
have to comment
episode,
down
or they're not, right?
Yeah.
And the comment down below. So until next week, as always, thumbs up 的に前向きに日々前進という感じでやっていきましょう。Raymond, thank you. Ivan, we'll be back and we're gonna discuss, see what we're gonna do.
Absolutely.
Until next time, thumbs up. See you again. Thanks, man. That was fun.
Thank you.
Thank you.